ka nami ang balato ng manang. Let's pick. Adubuhod pa. Diya ubuson diya? Do bata pamanta na ra? Diya oh. There's more over here guys. Isama lang tanaginang. Oh, nagsurunod sandaman na ako mga mano, labi daw may bubod ko. Ay! Truck and a motorbike.
DOG okay?
Ayan guys, pagas tayo. Ang mahal ng diesel. 57, 90, almost 58 pesos per ano man gallon per liter. Abot langit na gate na fence na poste. Wow, that's a long fence, long gate. I mean,
They gonna go back and fill those gaps? No.
yeah, they have to. And guys, oh, malang po oh, 120 rako no?
Oo.
Dum
Saan
ba?
sa imo tong 100?
200 to?
100 gani ang puto.
Oh,
Ang puto sa puto kami gamay.
Ay, dako doon.
Get up!
Gago. There's a... guys, ang laswa. Sa loyot. Tagabang mo. Nami ubos mo. Ano ba dyan? May ubos pa ka ano. Balatong. Dami pong ubos na ng uranan. Na. More rain. The tricycle got lights on too. They found probably an anthill. See? Look at it. She just scratched. She's very crazy too. Oh, she got up. she probably knew I'm go videoing. Acrobats. He's doing acrobats. Here's the bananas. Guys. Update of the bananas. Wow. Ano dyan? Green dyan. Yellow. Na. And look at the ants in here. My malunggay. My goodness. phone. She taking good care of them babies. Guys, I love chicken adobo. Yan yung 45 days ng chicken from the backyard. And I'm making adobo with Mr. Waitress. O diba? Dalawang chicken yun. Adobo na best. Ayan guys, yung mga girls, they coming home in a tricycle because Stephanie wants to ride a tricycle. Ayan. Ay. Where's Stephanie? Oh, there she is. How is it? How's the tricycle ride?
It's so nice because they got me a foot massage.
A foot massage?
Yeah, that's why I like to.
Ay, nakakaon dyan sa danang? Ang laswa, takabalatong. Ay, sus. Diba, bagay ka dyan ng sprayhan, sanda. Rako, ano? Ito may ano. Ang balatong mo may mga ano gano'n dyan. Mga itom-itom. Din pa. Itong nami buhi, taghihagi na itihan, jagi sa dakaman magpuno. Diyan o na. Itihan ka man. Perte ka lang. Boom! Balatong. May kuya kasaya. Or in Tagalog to. Diyan mga subay-subay nga itom ha. Subay-subay nga itom. Ano pa dyan sang karalamhayan sa tinutuan. Ayan guys, let's see if they got itlog na. It's only 7 in the morning. Ano tao, may duharong ka itlog. Ano pa dyan? O diba? More balatong tuya. Oh, abog. Wow. Lagbog. May may cucumber pa. Abaw! Amo dyan ang bitambal kung dapat sprayhan mo. Hindi na atake sa daka. Ano? Hindi may cucumber. Ako hindi ko malabot. Ito pa nga. May okra, skipit. Ay, rapot ko dyan. Ay, T-Rex man akong kamot. Although there are still some ants around, probably the ones that did not get hit with the soap. But it's effective.
Meditation rooms, I call it.
Indaswa, kudulang ang labog. Kagdagabog. Hindi. Pula-pula. Okay.
It's gonna be 11.
Here's my apple peach pie. Oh, this tiny Stephanie. She wanna try it right now. It's super hot. Our chickens here in the property, guys. She used to have 9 babies. Now she only got 3. Where's the rest of your babies?